The best advice one can give is to plan for life milestones early. You may not know who you are going to marry or how many kids you are going to have, but you can plan what you are going to do when the time comes. You can always begin from something as simple as plan your responsibilities and your exit strategy. Plan your responsibility like how much buffer you have in your money budget. What are the possible setbacks you may encounter in the next 30 years? Setbacks that may impede your mortgage servicing. Things like additional expense in lifestyle, health, and children. What about your future car and travel aspirations? What is an exit strategy? Exit strategy is how long you like to hold on to your property before you want to cash out. Like illustrate, say you're in your 30s. In the next 15 to 20 years, you likely have to have kids that grow beyond their teens. You may want the option to downsize and free up some cash to pay for their child's education. In the next 15-20 years, you'll be in your mid-40s, hitting your 50s. Your earning power is hindered. Your level of income may no longer be as fluid as when you're in your 30s. So, what is your plan? Downgrade to free up cash? Or upgrade to optimize your bank loans? I'll be doing a series of videos on this.